Do you ever feel like anxiety is running the show? That constant racing heart, tight chest, and swirling thoughts. What if I told you there's a powerful, science-backed way to reclaim calm, and it starts with something so simple, yet deeply transformative: paying attention on purpose. Today, we'll explore how mindfulness can help manage anxiety disorders, and the research confirms it's more than just calming talk. It's a skill you can learn and master. 1. What is mindfulness and why it matters? Mindfulness means paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and body right now without judgment. It's like stepping out of the storm instead of getting carried away by it. This simple mental shift creates space in your mind, letting you observe anxiety rather than being consumed by it. Jon Kabat-Zinn, creator of MBS, or Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction, calls it noticing what's already okay inside you. This isn't about forcing positive thoughts, it's about being fully present, whether your moment is calm or chaotic. 2. Evidence: mindfulness works for anxiety disorders. Hundreds of clinical trials tell a consistent story. Mindfulness interventions like MBSR and MBCT, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, significantly reduce anxiety symptoms. In many cases, results match the effectiveness of cognitive behavioral therapy, the gold standard for anxiety treatment. Meta-analyses have shown moderate to large effect sizes hedges J approximately equals 0.6 to 1.1 across disorders like generalized anxiety, panic disorder, and social anxiety. These results aren't just feel-good, they're measurable, replicable, and documented in peer-reviewed journals. 3. How mindfulness fights anxiety. Neuroimaging studies reveal that mindfulness literally changes the brain. It activates your prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for logic and decision-making, while calming down the amygdala, your brain's built-in alarm system. This means you respond more and react less. Mindfulness also strengthens 3 core mental skills: attentional control, emotional regulation, and self-awareness. Together, these help you interrupt spiraling fears before they overwhelm you.
4. How to practice mindfulness for anxiety. Here's how to turn all that research into relief. 5 powerful, practical techniques you can start today. 1. Breath awareness. Sit quietly. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Repeat a neutral word like calm or here as an anchor. Even just 5-10 minutes daily reduces rumination and activates your body's relaxation response. 2. Body scan meditation. Lie down and mentally scan your body from toes to head. Notice where tension hides: your jaw, your shoulders, your stomach. Simply acknowledging tension without judgment often releases it. This is a cornerstone EMSR practice. 3. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. When anxiety spikes, engage your senses. 1. 5 things you see. 2. 4 things you feel. 3. 3 things you hear. 4. 2 things you smell. 5. 1 thing you taste. This sensory checklist shifts your attention away from anxious thoughts and back into the present moment. 4. Mindfulness-Based Cognitive Therapy (MBT). Combining mindfulness with CBT helps you notice anxious thought loops before they gain momentum, replacing them with balanced thinking. MBT is particularly effective for recurring anxiety. 5. Virtual reality VR guided mindfulness. Yes, high-tech mindfulness is a thing. Immersive VR environments, such as serene beaches or forests, can make mindfulness more engaging and easier for beginners. 5. Real-life story. Meet Ella, a 28-year-old graphic designer who struggled with panic attacks at work. She began using breath awareness for just 5 minutes when she felt anxiety rising. At first, it didn't fix the panic, but it gave her space to pause before reacting. Within weeks, her panic attacks became less intense and less frequent. Ella says mindfulness didn't remove every fear, it gave her a new way to live with it. Managing anxiety isn't about erasing every fear, it's about learning to be present with it calmly. Mindfulness gives you the tools, awareness, and mental muscle to navigate life's storms with steadiness. Which of these practices will you try first? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain-friendly strategies you'll actually use.